And so, hello guys, and in today's video, we will be learning a new topic, and that is how to uh, get one page of a Google Doc to landscape or portrait. And what I mean by that is, I have this text here, and in this text, if you can, I can just zoom it out, and you'll see that this is a portrait, and this page is in portrait 2, so is this page, but I want uh, this page to be in landscape and precisely just this picture to be displayed on a separate page in the document. What we will do is, it's very easy, very simple. Just don't need to panic. All you have to do is just come in here, click this, and then go to this insert tab and come to this break and come to section break command and click this. You will see this blue line, which means that yes, you have done something right. Now, similarly, I want to move this to the next page because this will look really bad when this is in the landscape mode. So I will just move this to the next page by coming to the insert break and section break option. So now this is one dotted blue line here. This is one dotted blue line here. So means we have just separated this section from this section as well as this section. So now all you have to do is just come in here and take this page and make it landscape. So just come to the format tab now and page orientation, click it. You're already on section 2, just click landscape. Okay, and now you can see that this document is portrait on the first page, landscape on the second page, and again portrait on the third page. So this is a very simple, very easy trick. Now you can just give it sizes as you may please and increase it as per the landscape. So this is it guys. This is the video, and I will encourage you to please subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos on Google Docs, and you may write your questions in the comments section below. Thank you.